Surah Al-Hijr, Hijr. This surah is Meccan, containing 6 sections and 99 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب وقرآن مبين.
Alif Lam Ra. These are verses of the book and the illuminating Quran.
ربما يود الذين كفروا لو كانوا مسلمين.
The disbelievers will ardently desire that they were Muslims.
ذرهم يأكلوا ويتمتعوا ويلههم الأمل فسوف يعلمون.
Leave them to eat and enjoy and let hope make them heedless. Then soon they will come to know.
وما أهلكنا من قرية إلا ولها كتاب معلوم.
And we did not destroy a village except that it had a written specified term.
ما تسبق من أمة أجلها وما يستأخرون.
No nation shall hasten its term nor defer it.
وقالوا يا أيها الذي نزل عليه الذكر إنك لمجنون.
And they, the disbelievers, said, O you upon whom the Quran was revealed, indeed you are insane.
لو ما تأتينا بالملائكة إن كنت من الصادقين.
Why do you not bring forth angels to us if you are among the truthful?
ما ننزل الملائكة إلا بالحق وما كانوا إذا منظرين.
And we do not send down angels except with the truth, and then people are not given respite.
إنا نحن نزلنا الذكر وإنا له لحافظون.
Surely we revealed this Quran and surely we preserve it.
ولقد أرسلنا من قبلك في شيع الأولين.
And we certainly sent messengers before you in previous communities.
وما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
And no messenger came to them except that they mocked him.
كذلك نسلكه في قلوب المجرمين.
Thus we placed it in the hearts of the transgressors.
لا يؤمنون به وقد خلت سنة الأولين.
They do not believe in it, even though the way of previous communities has come to pass.
ولو فتحنا عليهم بابا من السماء فظلوا فيه يعرجون.
And were we to open for them a door in the heavens, that they ascend therein by day,
لقالوا إنما سكرت أبصارنا بل نحن قوم مسحورون.
even then they would certainly say, Our eyes have been closed. In fact, we are a bewitched nation.
ولقد جعلنا في السماء بروجا وزيناها للناظرين.
We have certainly created constellations in the sky and beautified them for observers.
وحفظناها من كل شيطان رجيم.
We have protected them from every accursed devil.
إلا من استرق السمع فأتبعه شهاب مبين.
Except whosoever proceeds secretly to listen, then a bright star pursues him.
والأرض مددناها وألقينا فيها رواسي وأنبتنا فيها من كل شيء موزون.
And we spread the earth and placed anchors therein, and brought forth in it everything with specific measure.
وجعلنا لكم فيها معايش ومن لستم له برازقين.
And we made for you provisions of living, and those for whom you do not provide.
وإن من شيء إلا عندنا خزائنه وما ننزله إلا بقدر معلوم.
And we have the treasures of everything, and we do not send it down except in a known measure.
وأرسلنا الرياح لواقح فأنزلنا من السماء ماء فأسقيناكموه وما أنتم له بخازنين.
We sent winds which filled clouds with water, then sent down water from the sky. Then we granted it to you to drink, and you are not its treasurers.
وَإِنَّا لَنَحْنُ نُحْيِي وَنُمِيتُ وَنَحْنُ الْوَارِثُونَ.
We alone give life and cause death, and we alone inherit.
وَلَقَدْ عَلِمْنَا الْمُسْتَقْدِمِينَ مِنكُمْ وَلَقَدْ عَلِمْنَا الْمُسْتَأْخِرِينَ.
We certainly know those who proceed among you, and we certainly know those who follow.
وَإِنَّ رَبَّكَ هُوَ يَحْشُرُهُمْ إِنَّهُ حَكِيمٌ عَلِيمٌ.
Your Lord will resurrect them. Certainly He is most wise, all-knowing.
وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِنْ صَلْصَالٍ مِّنْ حَمَإٍ مَّسْنُونٍ.
We created mankind out of reverberating dry clay from black, malodorous mud.
وَالْجَانَّ خَلَقْنَاهُ مِن قَبْلُ مِن نَّارِ السَّمُومِ.
And the jinn, we created them before that from smokeless fire.
وَإِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ إِنِّي خَالِقٌ بَشَرًا مِّن صَلْصَالٍ مِّنْ حَمَإٍ مَّسْنُونٍ.
And remember when your Lord said to the angels, "Indeed, I am about to create a human out of reverberating clay from black, malodorous mud.
فإذا سويته ونفخت فيه من روحي فقعوا له ساجدين.
So when I have formed him and blown into him a chosen soul from my court, then fall into prostration to him.
فسجد الملائكة كلهم أجمعون.
So all the angels prostrated together,
إلا إبليس أبى أن يكون مع الساجدين.
except Iblis, Satan. He refused to be with those who prostrated.
قال يا إبليس ما لك ألا تكون مع الساجدين.
He, Allah, said, O Iblis, what happened to you that you were not with those who prostrated?
قال لم أكن لأسجد لبشر خلقته من صلصال من حمأ مسنون.
He said, It is not for me that I prostrate to a human who you created out of reverberating dry clay from black malodorous mud.
قال فاخرج منها فإنك رجيم.
He, Allah, said, Leave from here. Indeed, you are accursed.
وإن عليك اللعنة إلى يوم الدين.
And indeed, the curse is upon you until the day of judgment.
قال رب فأنظرني إلى يوم يبعثون.
He said, O my Lord, just grant me respite until the day when people shall be resurrected.
قال فإنك من المنظرين.
He, Allah, said, So indeed you are among those given respite
إلى يوم الوقت المعلوم.
until the day of a known time.
قال رب بما أغويتني لأزينن لهم في الأرض ولأغوينهم أجمعين.
He said, O my Lord, I swear that you misguided me. I shall most definitely beautify it, sin for them in the earth, and I will most certainly misguide them all.
إلا عبادك منهم المخلصين.
Except those among them who are your chosen ones.
قال هذا صراط علي مستقيم.
He, Allah, said, This is the straight path to me.
إن عبادي ليس لك عليهم سلطان إلا من اتبعك من الغاوين.
Indeed, you have no power over my people except for those who follow you among the misguided.
وإن جهنم لموعدهم أجمعين.
And indeed, hell is the promise for them all.
لها 7 أبواب لكل باب منهم جزء مقسوم.
It has 7 doors. For every door, there is a divided part of them.
إن المتقين في جنات وعيون.
Indeed, the pious will be in gardens and springs.
ادخلوها بسلام آمنين.
they will be commanded, enter them in peace, safe and sound.
ونزعنا ما في صدورهم من غل إخوانا على سرر متقابلين.
And we shall draw out malice from their hearts. They will be brothers upon thrones facing one another.
لا يمسهم فيها نصب وما هم منها بمخرجين.
No harm will come to them therein, and they will not be expelled from it.
نبئ عبادي أني أنا الغفور الرحيم.
Inform my people that indeed I am the most forgiving, the most merciful.
وأن عذابي هو العذاب الأليم.
And surely my punishment is the painful punishment.
ونبئهم عن ضيف إبراهيم.
And inform them about the guests of Ibrahim.
إذ دخلوا عليه فقالوا سلاما قال إنا منكم وجلون.
And when they came to him, they said, Salam, peace. He, Ibrahim, said, Indeed, we are afraid of you.
قالوا لا توجل إنا نبشرك بغلام عليم.
They said, Be not afraid. Indeed, we give you glad tidings of a knowledgeable boy, son.
قال أبشرتموني على أن مسني الكبر فبم تبشرون.
He said, Do you give me glad tidings while old age has reached me? So what do you give me glad tidings of?
قالوا بشرناك بالحق فلا تكن من القانطين.
They said, We have given you glad tidings of truth, so be not of those who despair.
قال ومن يقنط من رحمة ربه إلا الضالون.
He, Ibrahim, said, Who despairs of the mercy of his Lord other than the misguided?
قال فما خطبكم أيها المرسلون.
He said, So what is your task now, O messengers?
قالوا إنا أرسلنا إلى قوم مجرمين.
They said, Indeed, we have been sent to a transgressing nation.
إلا آل لوط إنا لمنجوهم أجمعين.
Excluding the family of Lut, indeed we shall save them all.
إلا امرأته قدرنا إنها لمن الغابرين.
Except for his wife, we have decided that she is certainly of those who remain behind.
فلما جاء آل لوط المرسلون.
So when the angels came to the family of Lut,
قال إنكم قوم منكرون.
he, Lut, said, Indeed, you are unknown people.
قالوا بل جئناك بما كانوا فيه يمترون.
They said, Rather, we have brought to you that which they were doubting.
وأتيناك بالحق وإنا لصادقون.
We have come to you with the truth, and we are indeed truthful.
فأسر بأهلك بقطع من الليل واتبع أدبارهم ولا يلتفت منكم أحد وامضوا حيث تؤمرون.
So take your family during the night and follow them, and let no one among you turn around, and proceed to where you are commanded.
وقضينا إليه ذلك الأمر أن دابر هؤلاء مقطوع مصبحين.
We decreed to him this command, that their roots shall be severed in the morning.
وجاء أهل المدينة يستبشرون.
And the inhabitants of the city came, rejoicing.
قال إن هؤلاء ضيفي فلا تفضحون.
He, Lut, said, Indeed, these are my guests, so do not embarrass me.
واتقوا الله ولا تخزون.
And fear Allah, and do not disgrace me.
قالوا أولم ننهك عن العالمين.
They said, Did we not forbid you from interfering in the affairs of others?
قال هؤلاء بناتي إن كنتم فاعلين.
He said, These are the women of the nation, my daughters, if you must act.
لعمرك إنهم لفي سكرتهم يعمهون.
Dear beloved Prophet, by your life, indeed they are blindly wandering in their intoxication.
فأخذتهم الصيحة مشرقين.
So the piercing cry seized them as the sun rose.
فجعلنا عاليها سافلها وأمطرنا عليهم حجارة من سجيل.
So we made its upper part into its lower part, and showered stones upon them made from baked clay.
إن في ذلك لآيات للمتوسمين.
Indeed, in this there are certainly signs for those who contemplate.
وإنها لبسبيل مقيم.
Surely they exist along a path that is still present.
إن في ذلك لآية للمؤمنين.
In this there are certainly signs for people of faith.
وإن كان أصحاب الأيكة لظالمين.
And the inhabitants of the dense forest were certainly oppressors.
فانتقمنا منهم وإنهما لبإمام مبين.
So we inflicted retribution upon them, and indeed both villages exist on a clear path.
ولقد كذب أصحاب الحجر المرسلين.
And the inhabitants of Hijr certainly denied the messengers.
وآتيناهم آياتنا فكانوا عنها معرضين.
And we granted them our signs, then they turned away from them.
وكانوا ينحتون من الجبال بيوتا آمنين.
And they used to hew homes in mountains unafraid.
فأخذتهم الصيحة مصبحين.
Then they were seized by a piercing cry in the morning.
فما أغنى عنهم ما كانوا يكسبون.
So what they used to earn did not avail them at all.
وما خلقنا السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إلا بالحق وإن الساعة لآتية فاصفح الصفح الجميل.
And we created the heavens and the earth, and all that lies between them, with the truth. Indeed, the hour is coming, so pardon gracefully.
إن ربك هو الخلاق العليم.
Indeed, your Lord, He is the supreme creator, the all-knowing.
ولقد آتيناك سبعا من المثاني والقرآن العظيم.
And we certainly granted you 7 verses, recited repeatedly, and the glorious Quran.
لا تمدن عينيك إلى ما متعنا به أزواجا منهم ولا تحزن عليهم واخفض جناحك للمؤمنين.
Do not look upon that with which we granted benefit to factions among them, and do not grieve upon them, and lower your wing of mercy towards Muslims.
وقل إني أنا النذير المبين.
And say, indeed, I am a clear warner.
كما أنزلنا على المقتسمين.
Just as we have sent down upon the dividers,
الذين جعلوا القرآن عضين.
those who made the Quran into parts.
فوربك لنسألنهم أجمعين.
So by your Lord, we shall most definitely ask them all.
عما كانوا يعملون.
Regarding what they used to do.
فاصدع بما تؤمر وأعرض عن المشركين.
Just proclaim what you have been commanded and turn away from the polytheists.
إنا كفيناك المستهزئين.
We shall suffice you against those who mock.
الذين يجعلون مع الله إلها آخر فسوف يعلمون.
Those who associate another God with Allah, soon they shall come to know.
ولقد نعلم أنك يضيق صدرك بما يقولون.
And we certainly know that your heart is saddened by what they say.
فسبح بحمد ربك وكن من الساجدين.
So glorify with the praise of your Lord, and be of those who prostrate.
واعبد ربك حتى يأتيك اليقين.
And worship your Lord until death comes to you.